Welcome to This Is Not New. In today's episode, we're taking a trip down memory lane as we explore a classic piece of technology, the Dell Latitude E6320, released back in 2010 with Windows 7 OS. First thing first, the Dell Latitude E6320 have an Intel Core i5-2540M processor, providing decent processing power for its time. Paired with DDR3 RAM, this laptop supports upgrades up to 8GB, allowing for smoother multitasking and improved performance. To replace the hard disk, all we need to do is open the slot on the left side of the laptop. I have to replace the laptop hard disk because the old one is broken and somewhat sticky. So I inserted a test hard disk with Linux Mint OS already installed. This laptop still uses a removable battery. All you have to do is to slide both slider and pop. Now let's talk about the display. Yeah, I know it's cracked when I bought it, but yeah, the laptop comes with a TN type LCD panel. While it may not offer the best viewing angles, but it gets the jobs done. The keyboard still have the classic trackpoint, providing an alternative to the touchpad. It's also worth mentioning that the keyboard is backlit although it's not RGB. Moving on to the side of the laptop is equipped with a variety of ports. On the front, there's a convenient SD card reader. On the right side features an express card slot, an e-modular bay, Wi-Fi switch, and a USB 2.0, and also an eSATA port. On the left, you'll find a VGA, a 3.5mm audio and headset jack, and also a smart card slot. Turning the laptop around, the back reveals even more connectivity options. There's a port for Ethernet, mini HDMI, a Kensington lock for security, and a power plug to keep this machine running. Thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed this video of This Is Not New, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Until next time, this is Obvious Making Videos signing off.